Welcome to Beautyistic. In today's video, we're diving into a product that promises to give you that luxurious, vibrant hair look without the hassle. We're talking about the 99j Burgundy Lace Front Wig's Human Hair, featuring a stunning 28-inch body wave with pre-plucked HD transparent lace. Let's see if this wig lives up to the hype. This 13x6 lace front wig is crafted from natural, high-quality human hair that promises a silky smooth texture, minimal shedding, and easy maintenance. The deep 6-inch part and body wave style offer flexibility for various hairstyles, from sleek and polished to voluminous curls. The color is a rich 99j Burgundy, sitting perfectly between a deep red and burgundy, offering a bold yet elegant look. The cap size is designed to fit most women, ranging from 21 to 22.5 inches, with adjustable straps and combs for a secure fit. The wig is also praised for its Swiss lace, which ensures a breathable, comfortable feel while providing a natural hairline effect. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. Right out of the box, this wig feels luxurious. No tangles or dryness, even after a wash. The texture remains smooth, and it's clear that the hair absorbs moisture well, which is a good sign for longevity. I found it easy to install, with the adjustable straps and combs giving a secure fit, which was key for me. The 6-inch deep part adds styling flexibility, and the HD transparent lace blends well with my skin tone. It feels lightweight, breathable, and most importantly, comfortable to wear throughout the day. One of the highlights here is the versatility. Whether you're wearing it for daily life, a theme party, or a wedding, this wig can take on any look you desire. But while it excels in styling versatility, it's not entirely flawless. The wig does require some maintenance to keep that smooth texture. Regular washing and conditioning are a must. Also, although the cap fits most head sizes, if you have a larger head, you might need some adjustments to ensure the fit is snug. So let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: high-quality, natural human hair with a smooth texture. Comfortable 13x6 lace front with a deep part for versatile styling. Rich 99j burgundy color that complements various skin tones. Adjustable straps and combs for a secure and customizable fit. Perfect for a range of occasions, weddings, parties, or daily wear. Cons: regular maintenance required to keep the texture smooth. Cap may not fit larger head sizes without adjustment. Some may find the 180% density a bit too thick for their taste. Now, when it comes to value for money, this wig offers a solid investment if you're looking for a high-quality, long-lasting piece. The price point is fair, given the texture and natural appearance of the hair, especially considering the adjustable cap and breathable lace. While it's not the cheapest option out there, it definitely matches the quality and functionality you're getting. In comparison to similar wigs on the market, this 99j Burgundy Lace Front Wig stands out due to its HD lace, natural color blend, and overall comfort. Many wigs in this price range may lack the premium feel, but this one delivers on both aesthetics and practicality. Now, if you're in the market for an alternative, there are other lace front wigs at a lower price point, but be mindful of potential compromises in quality, texture, and comfort. While this wig isn't the cheapest, it is one of the better options if you want a polished, realistic look. In terms of build quality, the wig is durable, with solid construction that should hold up over time if cared for properly. The Swiss lace is comfortable and breathable, making it suitable for long wear. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out during my testing, but based on the brand's reputation, it seems they are responsive and helpful if you do run into any issues. If you're looking for something with a similar effect, but at a lower price, you might want to check out other lace front wigs with body waves, though you might sacrifice some of the luxury feel and comfort. In conclusion, this 99j Burgundy Lace Front Wig offers a premium, stylish look for those who are willing to invest in quality. The versatility in styling and color, coupled with the comfortable wear, make it a solid choice for various occasions. However, it's not without its quirks, especially when it comes to maintenance and fit. If you're someone who values durability and natural-looking hair, this wig could be a great addition to your collection. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, The link to grab this wig is in the comments below. If you already own one or have any questions, drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep it beautyistic.